Dick!
Man, you really love getting.
Dick! You're not.
Let me catch you up.
You dick!
What?
I'm a reload.
I didn't do anything.
Exactly.
Much better now. Oh shit!
Yeah?
See? I'm innocent. You agree to it.
You did.
I'm a reload.
Who's that flying bitch? Where the hell is she?
Nandun? Nalagpasan na.
Maybe she's in the kitchen.
Reloading. Reloading.
Watch yourself on this hill.
Shotgun. And laser.
Ah, dick!
Take this shortcut.
I didn't do anything to that one.
No, no, no!
What? Come on, go get your laser. Come on, bro.
Ah, Germ. Min-maxing the game, yuck!
Throwing a Molotov.
Dami na nga bulo.
Dick! How much of a...
Ay pa niya ano.
Don't.
Jockey. Reload. Oh, Nick, I know you shot.
Dick, it wasn't me!
Started!
Bloody fucking hell, you children.
Let's go!
Where are you going, Raven?
Saka ba't siya ka dumadaan?
Boomer. Tank! Tank!
Gago tank!
I ain't no hero, I'm defeated.
Rochelle! Nire-rape! Nire-rape si Rochelle! Dami sa pintuan.
You guys aren't so damn bad.
Dami.
Wait, what?
Motherfucker.
I was just trolling. Okay, there we go.
You dickhead.
What?
Nothing. Rochelle, get me the fuck up.
Oh
Two times.
no! You guys are dead! Oh no, whatever will I do? I might as
Oh
well-
shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Tatakbo na ako! Sorry bro!
Go on! Go on, boy!
Oh shit!
I got karma! I was so
Nahila sa likod. Nahila na smoker, gagi.
Okay lang yan. Karma lang yan dyan.
I was so close.
Yeah,
No.
it's karma for you, bitch.
Kung isi-save ko sana si Ivan eh. Puta, nasa harap ko yung tanke. Takbo ako.
Ano, nagulat din ako. Kinitip na rin ako ni Rochelle. Biglang. Rochelle has been Rochelle has been knocked down by attack. I'm like, huh?
Duga, ang dami.
Sir, do you have a bloody grenade launcher?
What the fuck? Bago mamamatay.
I swear to God, Raven.
Grenade launcher eh.
Do not make this another D-Day or something.
Brother, you're just in the way of area of explosion.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, pinky.
Safe house. We got a. Hey, fire's coming. I need everyone.
What the hell?
Pinatay yung.
Come on, Raven, stand up properly so I can revive you. Come on, brother. Come on, Raven. Stand up!
Big.
You are down on the ground. Now let's get you up.
Thanks, Nick. You all right?
No problem, coach.
Woo! Yeah, baby.
Patay.
Yun. Raven will remember that.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Aray ko, kago.
That was Ivan. You dick. Okay, that was intentional.
Brother, it says I saved him. It was with good intention.
Yeah, while hurting us. Oh, you. Who did?
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Di ako yun.
Si Rochelle, si Rochelle. Si Rochelle yun.
I got the Molotov.
Shall we throw the bile bomb at the witch?
It's not worth it. It's better if you do a molly.
Explosive rounds here.
If you say so.
How to keep me for
Oh,
a
pipe bomb.
This one's better.
Blowing frag rounds.
Explosive ammo here. Okay. Another molly here. Adrenaline to whoever wants this.
Ay, sorry.
Each other.
You. That was intentional, I know it.
No. I swear. It's Valorant trigger. Okay? It's Valorant trigger. I left click on what I see moves.
Okay. Oh no.
Dick.
Oh,
Gago.
Raven.
Oh
no!
Cosmic justice.
Help.
No.
Gago. Gago na ano pala smoker. Gago patay si Rochelle.
Raven, why did you stand there?
Cosmic justice.
Tangina puro putik na yung screen ko.
Yes. Yes.
Dick.
Come on. Yes.
No.
Yung tiro puta. Gago.
Justice you did.
Quit screwing around. Get inside.
Hut.
Trying to keep up. I know you shot.
Made me come out.
Ay, gago.
Healing. Cover me, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wah, grabe si
I
Rochelle.
did not kill you. I did not kill
Chapter
you.
4. Chapter 4. A black guy shield. Uy,
Ay.
lugar ng mga black guys pala yung 4th chapter eh.
Plantation.
Plantation. Bakit ganun ka na nangyari? Pa-explain nga, Ter.
Napindot. Ano pre? May langgam sa ano, mouse. Napindot ko
Ah,
na.
may langgam sa mouse. Sige. Sige, meron ka pala sa mouse eh. Okay.
Dami, right side ko.
Oh.
Arthur!
Oh, fuck! Itak na naman.
No. Tatakas na tayo. Tatakas na tayo.
Baba.
Ron!
Are you serious right now?
Gago, bilisan niyo, pre.
Go with me!
Ang gago. Gago. Ang gago.
Tapos,
Bakit ka tumalon, Raven?
Tumalon.
Bakit ka tumalon?
I don't know that the fall damage that big.
It's really some fall damage.
Nasa harapan ko. May bigla nahulog.
Is that a charger I hear?
I'm not sure.
Smoker.
No, there's a charger.
Oo nga.
Like I said, oh, it's a charger.
Nakababa lang. Nasa pool na si Warrior. Ang bagal ni Rochelle. Tangin ang bitch na to. Bagal.
Ang solid.
Ang bagal. Kailangan mo tayo.
Ito na kunat ng bitch ah.
Yeah, ang solid naman.
Kailangan pa kasi ano eh. Pantayin pa sa likod. Nakakabuisit. Tara, pwesto na. Kasi may tank yan eh.
No, may tank din dito sa sa exit.
What the fuck? Pre, umalis na kayo dyan!
Oh no.
Gogo!
Oh no.
Oh my
Oh no.
Ayaw ko!
No! 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 No!
Kasabay nila yung tank, gago!
Is the tank with us?
Yes.
Pangina! In memory of deep winning thought.
Takin nagulat ako kasi sabi ko, ito nagkagangbang ako in 3 directions pag ko sa likod. Ba't may lumilipad?
Mali. Mali pala yun. Not pala pinatay muna.
Hindi ko naman expect na pupunta pa rin itong sa...
Ako din. Akala ko may harang. Pag nasa nasa boat.
Reload.
Good thing there's no
Hey,
tank
don't
here.
shoot the car.
Asking you siya.
Are you serious?
Napindot. Napindot. Uy! Tama na ballerina sa harap yung zombie.
Jebs, mag-heal ka muna. Meron pa isang medpack sa safe house dito.
Okay, okay.
Mag-heal ka na.
Nice shot.
Oh shit, Jesus.
So close.
Vic, I was waiting for you.
Yeah, I know, but you tried to shoot at me.
No.
About the time
Shall I shoot
fell
it?
down an open manhole.
Grenade launcher down there.
Unconscious down there for like a week. During that time, unbeknownst to Keith, they
Well. Ako na dyan.
God, it stinks inside my head.
Oh no.
Fucking hell! Sumaka ang puta. Ako na
Oh,
nagsimula,
no.
pre.
Tank!
Uy, may tank!
Tank! Tank! No!
Gago na tabunan.
Of course I die.
Nga lang po ako bahala dun. Wait lang, pre.
Where could he be? Hindi, legit. Saan yung next part na pwede kita mas...
Just climb up. Oh,
Fuck.
are you serious?
What the fuck, man?
Serious right now? Are you
What
serious?
the fuck?
Are you serious right now? Raven, no. Tell me that was intentional.
It was unintentional.
Oh really no? You just walk in front of a car and then jump on it.
I thought it was done.
That is Peter.
Guys, Peter!
Sorry.
What?
The charger!
I get so mad I could shit a squealing worm, man.
Gago ba no? Meron na dito.
May?
Ito.
Ayoko. Ulo.
There's pills here if you guys want.
It's a shotgun.
Oh!
Ako dapat yung papatay. Sakton.
Tank, tank. May tank, may tank, may tank, may tank.
Uy, gago ka. Sunog kami.
Tangin na mo, Jen.
Ooh! Oh no!
Karma.
Bakit may tank?
Please kill Raven, please kill Raven! Yes! Yes!
Pumasok yung tank sa amin.
Yun.
Bakit sa akin yung tank?
Ang bilis ko tumakbo, buti may adrenaline ako.
Tangin na mo, karma. Karma. Ano? Karma. Dapat lang okay lang na ganyan yung nangyari. Basta sabi mo yung karma. No.
May deagle ulit.
Phil, this boat is real.
AK here.
Where?
Dickhead.
On me.
Dev's a dickhead.
What the?
I
What?
felt that.
Huh?
Pingi kay.
Dito, sa akin, Seko, sa akin. Ano yung sinasabi mo, Raven?
Nothing. Uy, gago ka!
Wow.
Ano nahulog?
Raven, why did you open that gate for us?
Ayaw.
Raven, come on, open that gate for us.
Naririnig mo yan.
Stop, motherfucker!
Oh! Hunting ako ng ano.
Oh my god, you guys are dumb. You guys are dumb. I thought you guys took care of the tank.
Tangina, ano pre? Yung tank eh, may kasamang hunter.
I wonder where Jeff is, eh?
Save us!
I'm trying my best.
Okay na, ang tank.
Oh, Raven's dead. Oh no.
No problem.
Akala ko, kung na, kaya nyo na yan.
May ano pre?
A four-man.
Charger
You
tsaka...
asshole.
May charger tsaka ano eh.
Ate, it's a four-man game.
Charger, tank, tapos hunter.
Ano ba ito fucking no? It's personal, Jeffs.
Personal.
Jeffs, huwag mong kakalimutan. Kikitain kita in 1 week, Jeffs.
Oh shit.
Ow, fuck!
Oh nako.
Yeah, and typical movies, the black guy dies first.
Malayo.
You asta.
Oh, MVP sa ano, tank ko. MVP ka pala sa tank eh. Namatay ka pa pala.
Ang una niyong lahat.
Jebs, wag mo kakalimutan, Jebs.
Bakit?
I really don't want to hear it.
Zoe, listen.
Look, I thought you guys can handle the situation, okay? That's my assumption is.
On everything yet.
Tayo namin eh. Kaso, grabe yung combination eh. Charger at Hunter. Jebs, kaya sabi sa'yo ko, Jebs. Makikita tayo next week, di ba?
What do you mean?
No. No.
Oy, oy.
Wala na ako ng bala.
Shooting me! Fire in the hole!
Yes.
Nagpapatay ng pura. Papatay kayo.
Oy, oy, I remind you. Shit.
Pagante. Tangin na mo ah.
Yeah,
Dickhead na asshole. Oh, help!
Shooting me!
Saan punta doon? Dito. Hey, ass fuck. Ass fuck.
Grab him first aid.
Dick. You motherfucker!
where's Beef Wellington?
Busted and let me heal it.
Thank you, bro. Motherfucker. Okay, that's personal.
We got weapons over here!
I'm not saving your ass, motherfucker. Ass fucks, that's what you are.
Bills? I don't know if I'm gonna...
Oh, Raven, you can have this.
Gago. Bigyan kita paint spray.
It's a lot.
No? No,
Yeah.
may pills ka na. You want this, yeah?
When we take this ship, you know how to pilot this thing, Francis?
Gago. You want this, yeah? I shall grant you your fucking wish, you ass fuck. Tangin na sa akin pa rin. Sa akin. Sa akin pa rin binigay.
Weapons here!
Malaki ka na, Raven. Kaya mo na yan.
Shit.
Why me? Why me?
Tumakbo ka lang, pre.
Get in here!
Okay na. Kago ka!
Oh no.
Real fast!
Okay, James, I am not joking. I am now making it personal.
Gago.
Nastan niya pala.
James, I am not joking. It will be personal the time we meet. I am not joking a single bit. No, I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna be physical. Don't worry. I'm just like
Gago.
This dick's making it personal, huh?
Tangina. Binto ng molotov.
No.
Nasa safe. Nasa safe zone na eh.
There's gotta be a sailboat around here somewhere.
The thing that sucks is you wasted a perfectly fine first aid kit.
A little piece of paradise.
Gago. We're making it personal now for
Over
Jebs.
here.
Okay, first of all, di ko alam na nasa white and black ka.
No. I'm not listening to any jack shit you're saying right now.
May tang...
What? Oh my...
Someone wanna give me a hand?
Ito mo! Adit!
Tala, right click mo. Cap mo, bo.
Ano? Dalawang tang...
Hey! Ah! Tangina niyo! Ah! 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 Umalis siya!
Guys, come on, get up!
Ano ba siya? Email kita mo sa...
Tangina mo ah.
Ang jiggle mo kasi.
Ah! Ah!
Oh no.
Dalawang puta!
Biyap ka.
Ubusan na ang bala! Yo, Deadpool! Can't kill me, cuz! Tingnan nyo! Ako papakamatay, pre. Ako si Bill, eh. Ooh! Bill sacrificed himself for his team. Memory of Bill. Beep Wellington. Binabarit si Ivan. Gago.
Okay, out na ako.